let's make an eggplant or brinjal chutney. This is not just a chutney, this is a side dish actually. It beautifully goes with dosas, idlis and everything. Plus, it goes beautifully with rotis, chapatis, even with a side of rice. Don't waste time, let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. This recipe will serve 6 to 7 guests. Onto a pot, 3 tablespoons of oil, 2 teaspoons of coriander seed, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 8 pieces of dry red chillies. Here for 1 minute. Transfer to a bowl and let it cool down. Onto a bowl, water, add some salt, 300 grams of brinjal, wash it, and if it's in water, it doesn't change the color. Onto the same pot, the excess oil is there, add brinjal and saute for 5 minutes. Add 1 large tomato, half lime-sized tamarind, half teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon salt, and saute for 8 minutes. Let the tomato become mushy. Turn the flame off, cool it down. Onto a blender, add the sauté spices and blend kosher. Onto the same blender, add the brinjal, clear from the edges and pause 3 to 4 times so it is a little bit chunky. Transfer to a bowl. Add chopped onions 1 and combine well. This gives a very crunchy taste. For tempering, onto a pot, 1 tablespoon of oil, half teaspoon of mustard, half teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of urd dal, 1 teaspoon of chana dal, 2 dry red chillies. Cook for a minute. Turn off the flame, combine well, add crushed garlic 3 cloves, few curry leaves, give a swirl and add the tempering on top of the chutney. Combine well and enjoy. The chutney is so good. It's a beautiful combination of all the flavors. Sourness, the smoothness from the eggplant. It's made to a very good side dish. I have some corn roti with me. Let's try with corn roti how it goes. Beautiful. It's a delicious flavor. If you like to try the corn roti, the recipe is there in my channel. Okay?